Hello guys, good morning. Kumusta? Ang ginagawa ko ngayon ay na-drop off na pala namin ang mga bagets sa school guys. So, ito, bilhin namin sa Costco na nakaraan, di ba? So, nilalagay ko siya dito para diyan ko nilalagay sa cabinet ba. Nakakuha lang to pag snacks na mga bata. Natapon ko na ito. Alright! Good morning guys! Kumusta? Ang dami kong gagawin. Lalaba pa pala ako. Time check, it's 7:33 in the morning. Nakapagkape na pala ako. And, yeah. Yun ang aking jusawa. Pakape-kape lang siya. Sana all. Ito yung aking gagawin mga loves. Mga puti. Malinis na yan. Iba talaga yung puti dito, no? Iba ba? Para siyang hindi puti. Para siyang dirty white, guys. Hindi po siya, Kaya, kahit anong gawin ko, ganito na talagang kalabasan niya. Ang puti niya pagbili. Tapos paglaba mo, ganito na. Hindi ko alam. Don't judge me. Kasi kahit anong gawin ko, nilagyan ko na ng ano-ano, yun pa rin ang kulay niya ba? Hindi same sa Pinas na ano ba tawag nito? Na puti ba? Kasi meron tayong mga blue whale, ganun. Ayan yung aking kamay, charot. Yan. Marka kasi yan ang aking singsing. Nilagay ko muna sa gilid yung aking singsing, guys. Boom! Ayun naman mga socks. Socks yan siya, guys. So, atin na munang anuhin ang mga socks, okay?
Yung pong naging sikat sa Hong Kong dahil sa kanyang mala-sexing mga basta anyway mag-move on na ang lahat dahil siya po ay nag-public apology na, so tao lang naman din siya, wala tayong magawa, tapos na ang lahat, so nag-public apology na siya, kaya hayaan nyo na siya mamuhay ulit ng normal doon sa Hong Kong.
Lagay muna tayo ng lotion mga guys kasi dito kasi sa Amerika lamig na. So, kung malamig, syempre dry skin na. Paan natin yung ating ating arms ba? Bilis mag-dry ng skin. Gamit ko ay para siyang guys, coconut hydrate daily body lotion, ganun. Para siyang amoy coconut talaga siya. Ayaw ko lang ng amoy niya, but Parang ano siya ba? Nakakaano sa skin. Tingnan nyo. Kaka-soft ng skin yun. Dry kung ano. Nag-soften siya. Ano siya. Anyway. Yun nga. Nakapaglaba na ako ngayon. Lagay muna tayo ng lotion dahil mag-fold ako ng mga damit. Tanggal ko yung ring ko para hindi siya maanuhan ng mga cream ba lotion. Ayan yung ipo-fold ko mga loves. Ilagay ko dyan. Kasi dalhin ko yan sa kwarto ni Kuya. Kaya doon ko yan ipo-fold. Ito naman kay Ate Cass. Dalhin ko yan sa kanyang kwarto din. Mga toys guys. Oh, it's everywhere. Anyway, ito yung mga natapos ko ng mga loves. Ito. Yan pala ang higaan ng anak ko guys. Ito yung higaan ni Gabriel. Hindi man lang niya ginagamit. Sayang lang. But anyway. Yan. Fold muna tayo mga loves, okay? Yan, naka-fold na nga tayo ng mga clothes mga guys. Ito, ilalagay na natin dito sa cabinet hallway namin. Para sa mga towel and mga bed sheets, mga pillowcases, dyan namin inilalagay mga loves. Iba yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kapag nag-on ako ng light dito sa kwarto namin is yellowish siya. So, kung nakikita ninyo, ganyan talaga siya. Parang yellow ang color. Ayoko ng color ng light. But, wala tayong magawa. Yan na yan eh. Choosy pa ba tayo? Charot. Anyway, hinahang ko lang yung mga damit ni Gabriel. Tapos, puntahan natin yung kwarto ni Ate Cass. This is actually my, kumbaga, daily life talaga. Laba, luto, take care of the kids, take care of the husband. Tapos, ulit-ulit, everyday, laba, luto. Well, ang paglalaba not everyday, but like couple days. And then, laba ulit, ganyan. Ganan! That's life! Sana all! So, andito tayo sa kwarto ngayon ni Ate Cass. Kasi, i-fold natin yung mga damit niya. Dito naman tayo sa kwarto ni Kuya Ken mga loves. Tingnan nyo naman ang kwarto ng aking anak na lalaki guys. Oh, Diyos ko, ganito talaga may anak no. Sobrang kalat talaga. Pero wala na tayong magawa kasi maaga kasi yan sila umalis papuntang sa school. Kaya naayos ko konti pero sila na bahala niyan pagbalik nila dito sa galing sa school mga loves. Para naman matuto sila. Uy. Tingnan nyo naman ang mga kalat mga loves. Oh, kahit saan na lang nakalagay. Diyos ko, big boy na sana. Bahala na yan siya mga guys. Uy, pagdating niya, siya na mag-aayos ng lahat ng yan. Na-stress ako bigla. Uy, para maalam niya ba kung anong dapat niyang gawin sa kwarto.
A few moments later.
See how you put the coats?
Yeah.
And then you put a thin layer. You don't try to do the whole thing in one shot. You got to put a layer, let it dry.
That's right.
Put another layer, like see over against that wall. You see how I put all the layers on there, and then you try to get it all even and smooth, because wherever the cracks were.
Good job, mi amor. Dear?
Yes, sir. And then,
Yes, sir.
You know, like around the boxes, you want to get it smooth. See?
Yep. Alright, you ready to go? Guys, nilamig ako. Ay! Talaga. Tingnan niyo yung outfit ko. Naka-chinelas, naka-ano-ano pa. Nakalimutan ng asawa ko, guys. Yung susi. Sana all. Anyway, guys, papunta kami ngayon sa pinakita niya pala yung anong ginagawa niya doon sa project na ginagawa namin. Bali, Nakakuha daw kasi siya ng idea kung paano and the right way to do it. Oh, sana all, may ganun. Anyway, punta kami sa store guys dahil he needs more mud to finish the whole thing, and then after that he's gonna put the fan with the light on it at the ceiling and gonna work on the electrical stuff. After that guys, we'll see kung meron pa kaming pera, then we are going to have that area paint. I don't know, that's what I was wondering, but anyway, yeah, so we're gonna go get the mud. Let's go. Go, go, go.
I have that green mud, but
Power Ranger.
I don't think that's enough to finish anyways.
Guys, yung aking chinelas guys, oh.
Unless you want to put
Galing pa sa Pinas yan. Ala, kung dumi na, may sakyan. Tingnan nyo naman guys.
It's gonna rain.
Pinas na Pinas style talaga natin guys,
I
oh.
hope.
Chinilas pink. Grabe yung ano, yung weeds
It's
ba?
supposed to rain at 1 o'clock.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at all them weeds. Holy crap.
Tingnan nyo yung sagbot guys. Ha, nakakainis. Guys, we are in our favorite spot place. Blah, blah, blah.
Somebody's living out here.
Mamimili na naman ang aking asawa guys
Like
ng
one guy
kanyang
stops and they
stuff.
all-
Kulang pa kasi yung binili namin. So dyan kami pupunta sa aming
Wow.
paboritong The Home Depot. Baka naman. Sana all.
The Home Depot.
The Home Depot. The Home Depot. Let's go guys. Dala namin yung sasakyan namin, hindi yung truck. Kasi wala naman kaming bilhin na malaki.
I was
Let's...
gonna park right there, but they.
So, no, I don't have anything. So, andito na kami guys. Tatay sa loob. Actually, pag nasa labas ka, hindi siya masyadong malamig. So, tingnan niyo naman ang itsura ko guys. Oh. Kisi pa talaga yung aking. Tara guys, samahan nyo kami sa aming pamimili. Saro. Pamimili ng mga kuan. Mga... Kasama ko ngayon ang aking partner in crime. Boom. Tara guys, let's go.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you.
Guys, we are done. So, uwi na kami mga loves. Ganito pala dapat mag-video, no? Ganon, pagilid, ganon. Uwi na kami na aking asawa. Hindi ko makuha yung aking asawa, guys. Ang taas po niya. So, uwi na po kami mga... Yung nilamig ka ba, pero yung outfit... Ito lang yung nabili namin. Ayan.
A few moments later.
I thought it was gonna be just a little.
Guys, grabe yung ulan ngayon. Kukunin namin yung mga bagets, guys, sa school.
Oops. Where's the?
Ginamit namin ang truck, guys, kasi kahapon galit si Gabriel. Car daw yung dala ko. Bakit daw hindi yung truck namin? Ala, ulan. Thank you, Lord, sa ulan. Kunting ulan is okay. The way all the trees and plants in the front, guys, madililigan ba? Tara, guys, kunin na natin ang mga bagets.
There it is.
Yan yung gilid namin, guys. Si Amo. Bam. Let's go. Guys. Ayan po ang aking iha. O, chismis pa more. La. Sige. Mag-out na po. Mag-out na po. Yan sila mga guys.
This time around.
Ayun. Chismis pa more. Marites pa more.
Why is everybody so late? It's already 47 and they haven't even moved yet.
A few moments later.
Look who's home, guys! Hello!
It's
Yes?
my jacket.
Guys, dinala niya yung jacket na hindi sa kanya. That is not your jacket.
Mommy, I lost mine.
It's okay. I will tell your teacher that...
No, don't tell her.
What do you want me to say?
Nothing.
Nothing. You have a good day at school, though. Alright. You want to eat? Alright, alright. Guys, kids are home. Gutom daw agad ang Peg.
Cheese and
So, nag-exchange pala sila ng jacket ng kanyang classmate, guys.
Mommy, I want cheese bread.
Okay, sabihan ko na lang yung teacher niya mamaya. I-text ko na ganito, ganyan. How come you did not eat your Eat this.
Mom, because I don't want it.
Huh?
Mashed potatoes and chicken.
Oh, that's good.
I saw Gabriel.
You did?
I was running the mouth. Gabriel didn't see me.
Oh, really? Alright. Yun, snack time. Sa bed daw siya, guys, kasi pagod daw siya. Ate Cassie's doing her thing right away. Good job. Magaling talaga to si Ate Cass, guys. She always makes sure she do her thing. And Gabriel is having snack and he will do his thing later too. Gabriel is kind of
Mommy, I'm gonna
tired.
do my thing like front flips. Front flips?
Huh? What are you doing?
He doesn't know how to do front flips.
Oh no, Gabriel, you have to be careful.
I know front flips.
Oh,
like
somersault.
Like this.
Whoop! Be careful.
Like that.
You have to be careful. Whoop! Whoop!
Like that.
Okay, eat your food first. And then you can do something after. Finish your milk, finish your
Finish it.
cheese bread. Is that good? You like that? Yeah, that's one of his favorite, guys. Get under the blanket. It's kind of cold, huh? But that's good. That's good. Like that. Leave it like that. Sana all bata. Kasi guys, pag malaki na, sana all sila na yung, syempre, saliri na nila ang kanilang asikasuhin. Sila na ano sa sarili nila para marunong din, guys, ba? No? Sana all bata. Iniwan ko po sila doon, mga guys, dahil magpe-prepare na ako ng dinner namin. Maaga pa naman, but gusto ko lang kasi magluto ng maaga because, you know, gusto ko rin mag-relax talaga ng maaga. Kasi pag late na ako makaluto, syempre, late na din ako makapag-relax. Alam mo naman, guys, ako lahat dito, which is okay lang naman. Kaya, maaga ako talagang nagluluto. So, for today, ang aming ulam, lutuin ko is pansit, mga guys. Filipino style. Pero sa mga nakakaalam at yung mga nakasubaybay, sa asawa ko, hindi ito. Sa asawa ko will be salmon again for dinner. Good thing about my husband, guys, is hindi siya mareklamo when it comes to the food that I'm going to make for him. Kahit pa ulit-ulit pa yan, wala siyang problema. Happy na yan siya, guys, na lutuan mo siya from your heart. Diba? Sana all. So, ngayon, nag-aano lang ako ng garlic. Garlic mga loves, yung ating noumpisahan na, and onion, para makaumpisa na ako magluto. Yan. Malaki ng onion, guys. Kailangan ko siyang hati-hatiin dahil malaki. Iba kasi yung ano dito sa US, sizes, malalaki. So, hindi naman siya pwedeng anuhin, no? lutuin lahat kasi ang dami na eh. Kasi ang laki ng Bombay. Anyway, ito na mga loves. Bombay at saka garlic. Ilagay natin to sa plate para gamitin natin tong ating tataran para ma-slice natin ang ating meat. Yung meat, guys, and then we'll be slicing it para siya. So, umpisahan na natin ang pagluto, guys. Ito na yung chicken. Naglagay pala ako ang aking sahog pala sa aking pancit is chicken thigh. I don't know, pero ayaw ko masyado yung chicken breast kasi parang walang lasa, guys. Anyway, para sa akin lang ha. So, ewan ko kung sa inyo, anong gusto nyo ilagay, bahala na kayo. Choice nyo yan. But this is my choice kasi feeling ko mas nanunuot talaga yung lasa. Maya ako na pala yung patayin muna natin yung isang ilaw, guys, no? Kasi para hindi hindi naman sayang. Ganun. Yung asawa ko still working. Yay! Almost done with the project, guys. Konting push na lang talaga. Yun. Tapo naman natin tong mga dumi-dumi sa buhay. Charot.
A few moments later.
Guys, parang na manhid ang bukong katawan. Ha! Kasi di ko naman akalain wala na palang soy sauce, guys. Ha, walang toyo. Importante pa naman ang toyo sa pansit, guys. Paano na to ngayon? Pero, okay lang. Kasi, wala kasi kaming time pumunta ng Asian store, guys. Well, we are planning on going sa Asian store. Siguro, siguro mga sunod na araw pa pag hindi na masyadong busy yung aking asawa. Anyway, so, hindi tayo makakapagpansit, guys. Sobrang stress. Kasi parang nagkikrave ako ng pansit, guys. Diyos ko. Pero anyway, wala na tayong magawa. Walang soy sauce, walang toyo. Wala tayong magawa. So, ang gagawin ko is saute ko na lang siya, guys. Lagyan ko na lang ng little cabbage. Tapos, meron namang soy sauce dito na konti. Kaya lang may, siya, para siyang ganito. Siya ba? Seasoning siya na, soy sauce. Yan. So, yan lang gamitin natin and magsusote na lang tayo. Wala na tayong magawa eh.
Tell me all the things you had sweet today.
Interview yan.
It's not sweet.
Guys, pagod na daw siya, guys.
Yeah, chocolate on it.
Han! You're done for today's video?
No.
You're done for today?
I want to take a break.
Okay, you should rest.
It's almost time to get quit. What time did you get up?
3.
Back is hurting.
Alright, just relax then. Guys, masakit daw yung kanyang likod ngayon, kaya relax siya. Bam! Ayan na, guys! Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag niyo dyan, basta yan ang ulam namin mamaya. Meron ako ditong cabbage! Bam! Cabbage, guys, at saka nilagyan ko ng ganito. Alam mo, dito sa Amerika, wala masyado akong sahog nilalagay kasi nga, malayo naman ang bilihan ng mga gulay na Pilipino. Oy! Ang mahal na bilihan ng mahal, ang layo. Well, pricey din siya, mahal din siya. Pero mostly talaga ang layo niya kaya wala ako masyadong sahog dito. Tama din ako mag-drive doon sa malayo eh. Tapos asawa ko busy. So, basta excited na nga ako na sana makapag-desisyon na yung asawa ko na mag-move na kami kasi para, iba pa rin talaga kung meron kang katuwang kasi iba talaga, guys, medyo mas magaan yung tapos mas ma-focus ka sa For example, meron kang negosyo, ganon. Mas focus ka sa negosyo mo kasi meron kang katuwang, ganon. Anyway, yun. Ito na yung niluluto ang mga loves. Ayan na siya. Pinapalambot ko lang siya ng konti and then nilalagay ko na yung cabbage at yung green onions para medyo may green-green naman sa aming ulam. So, tingnan natin mamaya kung okay ba. Ang importante lang naman is okay lang kahit hindi masarap. Importante may lasa. At syempre, you know, kailangan ng gulay sa katawan. So, luto lang muna tayo mga loves and then mamaya tingnan natin kung anong lasa niya. Guys, Gabriel is laughing kasi he's trying to FaceTime his brother. Yeah, but you guys can't get close though because or else the echo. Echo. You gotta go to daddy. You gotta go to daddy.
Go to daddy.
Go to daddy and FaceTime Kuya.
I see you! I want to watch the YouTube short. Why me?
Okay. He's so happy, guys.
Can I call my friend? Ken!
What?
Guys, should mom let me call my friend?
No.
I finished my homework. I was good!
I know. Kat, how's the sudan? Guys, Kat is eating the food that I made earlier. How was it? Simple, huh?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good? You like them? It's home, guys. Wala, Gabriel is so excited, guys. Oh, okay. He's FaceTiming his brother, guys. Even though
I see you.
it's echoing right now.
Echoing, baby. You gotta go to the room.
Guys, umulan pala, guys. Let's check out the outside.
I won't.
Guys, it's raining. Mulan. Wow. Look at that. Thank you, Lord. Little bit of rain is okay, guys. Para lang ma-water ang lahat ng trees namin dyan. And the plants. Yes, yes, yo.
Guys, look. Echo!
Huh?
It echoes. Wait, gotta close this real quick.
What are you trying to do?
Echo.
Make echo? Don't scream.
Echo! It doesn't echo. I thought it would echo.
Kind of, a little bit. Guys, malapit na matapos yung asawa ko. Anyway. Yup, it's raining, guys. Yung dito na area, guys, aayusin namin yung mga chairs. Maybe some chairs I will put here inside the extra room. And then the rest, iiwan namin yun dun, guys. Iiwan lang yan siya dyan kasi para lang yun sa ano. Yup, thank you, Lord, for the rain. Hindi nyo na masyado nakikita, no? Pero, ayan, makikita ninyo wet yung ano, floor. Diyan, oh, makita niyo yung ano niya. Ayun. What?
You got something going on the way over there.
What?
Over there.
Why?
Uh-oh.
Oh!
It's gonna be fun.
It's cold, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? So, are you happy FaceTiming, Kuya? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright. Good job na talaga to siya,
I
guys.
can't say that was super fun.
That was super fun. You want to eat dinner now?
Wait, the bird wants to go.
What?
The bird wants.
Oh yeah, the bird. They couldn't see it. What did you say, Gabe?
You know, like the bird.
Yeah, that's the bird. Big bird right there.
Yeah, but the bird wants to go away, and the rain is going to catch him. Like rain drop on him.
Oh? Let's go. I will feed you dinner.
No, I don't want dinner.
Oh yeah?
I don't want dinner.
Why not?
Because I don't want to. I want to call my friend. Find you again. Wink, wink, wink.
Wing, wing, wing.
Guys, oh, hindi pa siya naka-change. You need to turn this thing off. Soft now? Oh, okay.